Okay, so we're going to do a -5 cold start Celsius of the 6 horsepower diesel motor. This is going to be the first cold start. So we're going to see how many pulls it's going to take. I'm guessing probably 3 pulls.
Yeah, it's starting to snow here, yeah.
You better hurry up or you're going to
I'm coming.
A little bit stiff there. Going to get her 2 primer pulls. Oh, she's stiff. I got the compressor.
It's not that warm out here.
Okay, am I going to dash fire one here? No, I don't think so. She is in neutral. Should be because I can pull it over. Just watch her run over. Okay, ready? Oh.
Pretty stiff.
Oh, yeah, is she ever stiff? Oh.
Well, you're doing the pulling.
Oh.
I think you need more than 3.
Yeah.
Oops, she fired. Just about went. I bet you 5.
Well, I do got it only on a 3rd throttle, maybe.
Yeah.
So if I turned it up, it might have went there.
That's 3.
Oh, that one made my back get sore. One more. Man, that's stiff.
Yeah, I don't know if she's gonna go or not. Ooh, just about. Saw some chooch.
Fuel is right off the gauge, so.
Well, that didn't help if we got no fuel.
She'll go.
There we go. What type of oil do you have in there? 1540?
Yeah.
Oh, well, no wonder.
I know.
1540 -5. I'm surprised it's even started at all.
Not shooting that bad.
No. Well, not at all, eh?
No, a little bit. I should take this off and rattle.
No biggie.
I'm not sure if that's going to show up on your video, but it's not bad with the rattling.
It looks like you might need to put the plow on it and try it out.
Yeah, well, I'm going to drive it up and back and forth here for a few seconds.
I'll let it warm up first.
Well, I am. But on idle, I'll do it in low gear.
Yeah, I got back out of the way here. He wants to play with it, so I'll let him play. I still think he's going to warm it up more, but. Oh, well, the tires are pretty bald.
Yeah.
You got no chains on it. Let it runs and it dries and it moves.
Give it a rev.
Sure. Kind of cold still though. Oop, there comes an ice cube just about got me in the head. You're part of it. A few ice cubes hanging there. Okay, so I guess that's it. At least it runs. I didn't think it was going to start, to be honest.
Well, it started a lot better than the 10-horse would.
Yeah, that's for sure. But still, I think your problem is your oil's too thick.
Oh, I know it's too thick. I can feel that. That took so much to pull that over.
Yeah.
Almost killed my back. But it's
Yeah, it's no pretty good. Coming down.
Go, 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 go.
Yeah, we're going back into the warm garage.
Well, there's a video for you for the week.
Yeah.
Got something.
Got something.
I was going to post one of those on my channel, but let you take it.
Yeah, whatever way. Got something to put up. Because other than that, I don't think we got a whole lot happening here today.
Nope.
So, now what are you doing? Oh, you're
Well, I just came out from outside. Of course I need to.
need this chooch. Anyway, guys, yeah, not a lot happening this weekend. Had a couple of family funerals to attend and stuff like that, but really nothing that I could videotape, so I guess this is going to be the only video I get up this week. But I guess it's better than nothing, so we'll let you guys go for now. Have a good one.